When you're young, it's easy to get a home loan. Why not? But as you get older, it's not only difficult to get a home loan, even if you have a property, sometimes it's not easy to manage your cash flows. That's where reverse mortgage comes in. We've got a special guest in our expert segment, Anil Rego, CEO and founder of Right Horizons. Let's welcome him in. Anil, thanks very much for joining in today. I think our focus on another aspect of home finance, the very concept of reverse mortgage, which works for senior citizens. Take us through it. How does it ease up their cash flows?
Sure. As the name suggests, reverse mortgage is the opposite of a mortgage, which basically means that a house that you already own, you give it to the bank and they give you a loan against that, and they give you a monthly annuity, something like what the EMI you would have paid. Here you actually get a monthly annuity coming into your account. So this is a wonderful option for senior citizens. It's available for senior citizens who are above 60 years of age and spouse being above 55 years of age. So basically, in case you run out of your money for all the other things based on inflation, based on various circumstances, then this is definitely an option for you to take, and it can supplement. What happens, let's say, is normally there's a term which is involved, say about 15 years, and post that, you can continue to use your house till one survives. And even if one of the spouse is no more, then it continues with the other spouse can use it till both survive. So that is something which takes care. So you're not left without your house. You are taken care of and getting a monthly stuff. What the bank typically does is at the end of let's say in case of any life risk happening to both spouses, the legal are given an opportunity to either buy out the loan that is outstanding, or the bank will then settle the value and give the balance money back to the legal heirs.
All right. So you're saying that whoever the legal heir is can buy the property after settling all the outstanding, otherwise just get the residual value and the bank gets the house, is it?
That's right.
All right. So
the bank will sell it out. So bank is not going to keep the house. Yeah.
Okay, bank will sell it out. Help us understand why this hasn't worked so much in India. It was introduced in 2007, if I'm not mistaken. Is it just the fact that our security net, our family systems are so much more closer, or the fact that, we are a nation which saves so much and therefore most people end up building comfortable retirement nests?
So I think it's a combination of that we do a lot more investments and we take care of ourselves much better than and not as much of liability is happening like some of the Western countries. So that is definitely one part of it. I think the second part is typically people like to leave their legacy without any encumbrance as well. So it's that psyche of maybe elderly people to say that I want to pass this on. So as far as possible, unless I need to do it, I will not do this. But I think as modern thoughts come out, and I think as time progresses, I would expect this to get increasingly used, and I think banks also would provide a lot more options which may suit the customers.
But do you think that it is, rather than living extremely tight and worrying about what you want to leave for your children, it is a very, very valuable tool for senior citizens to use to just ease up their cash flows, isn't it? Something that we would absolutely recommend in overall financial planning for them.
Definitely, normally when you do your financial plan, you have some buffers in place. So I think this is definitely one buffer, just in case things go haywire, in case of some emergency, something, you're not left on the road and you are able to take care of yourself. So I think it's definitely an extremely good option. And plus, the bank doesn't get any other benefit. I think the legal heirs can still buy it out, and whatever is the value that comes out of it, the balance is after netting of the loan is passed on. So the bank doesn't keep anything apart from the interest that it collects for it.
Anil Rego, thanks very much for joining us today. It's a pleasure to understand from you how reverse mortgage works. And I think, Anil, I and Sameer here, we are all in perfect consensus that
Absolutely.
if you are a senior citizen, if you're having a little bit of cash problems, think about reverse mortgage. There's really no need to leave homes for your children.
Not only if you're having a problem, you've worked for it, you might as
worked
well
for
enjoy it in
you
the last
might
8
as well
years.
enjoy it. Absolutely. So this whole psychology that we must leave behind property for our children, even though we have to scrounge on our today's living, is something that you have to get rid of and move on. Enjoy your today. That's something that we'd like to say to everybody.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.